Hey guys, welcome back to Thrive on Roots with Charity. So if you're returning, thank you guys for tuning in again. And if you are new, welcome. Hopefully you liked the video, and if you do, then like and subscribe. So today we are going to be unboxing my blue turmeric. So yes, I did say that correctly, blue turmeric. This video is not sponsored by Baker's Creek whatsoever, but that is the company in which I got this live plant from. Baker's Creek Heirloom Seeds is really awesome. I've been shopping with them for about, I don't know, like 3 years now. But anywho, let's just get to the blue turmeric. So I'm super excited about this because I've never even heard of blue turmeric or even physically have seen it or tasted it. And I thought that, like, you know what, why not just grow it? And I will tell you guys exactly what it tastes like, hopefully in October. So let's unbox it. Let's go plant it out in the garden, and yeah, that's it. So let's see. Show you guys what it looks like. Earlier this year, I would say about March, I ordered some ginger and totally forgot to get this turmeric as well as the ginger. So this is beautiful. Like, wow, the leaves are massive. So my ginger plant was a lot smaller than this, guys. But I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of messy, but it's perfectly fine. I'll bring it up a little closer, but you can kind of see that the plants come in this plastic container. And it says just turmeric blue on the container that's there. So I'm going to take one of them out. I'm going to put it back though, so that you guys can kind of just like see exactly what the plant looks like before I actually put it on the ground. And no, I'm probably not gonna wash this off because it's gonna rain this week anyway, so it'll be fine. So let me grab some scissors real quick for this. All right, I'm back. Got my scissors. Cut this open real quick. Let's see. I'm assuming that, of course, it didn't come like this, guys. It's just due to the mail. They do ship you a live plant, so this was not seeds. I did not order blue turmeric seeds. I ordered 3 live turmeric plants. So just a plug. Bring that closer for you guys, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It is going to be a beautiful plant. I already know. I can already tell that it's going to be beautiful. The roots look good. Those are the nodes at the bottom. So I'm looking forward to this. Again, I don't know if I said this before, but this is my first year growing blue turmeric. Last year, I grew some ginger that I got from Baker's Creek as well. It was a live plant. And it turned out really well for me. So I will put up some pictures of that. But if you want to go check out my little video that I have from my harvest from last October, go ahead and check that out. I will link the video below. But anyways, so we're going to go plant this out in the garden and give it a label. And that'll be it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so on the right side of my bed, I have my ginger. And then on the left side, I'm actually going to plant my blue turmeric. So I have enough space to put all 3 of these right here. So I'm gonna put one right here, one right here, one right here. All right, let's get started. So I have 3 of these babies. So I'm just gonna lay them out right here for right now. And again, like I said, I'm not going to like clean the leaves or anything like that because it'll be fine. It's gonna rain and the rain will do its job. But anyways, I wanted to grow this blue turmeric because I want to see what it tastes like compared to the store-bought turmeric that we always get from the store that's orange. And I was like, well, you know what? I wonder if they have some different medicinal values or properties or whatnot. Because everybody kind of knows that turmeric is really good for like anti-inflammatory purposes. And that's what it's mainly used for. And that's why I really like turmeric, because of that. And ginger is pretty much the same way. Plus it's an antioxidant. I mean, you can't really go wrong with it's anti-inflammatory and it's an antioxidant. I think we all could, you know, use some antioxidants in our lives. So I'm not mad at it. All right, so when I harvest this turmeric in October, I plan on dehydrating it and possibly turning into turmeric powder so that I can use it for a later date. Usually I like to make golden milk lattes or just turmeric lattes, but with just regular turmeric. So I'm just going to use the same thing with this. But I also just like putting turmeric in my shakes every day, or I usually put some ginger in there as well. But either one is perfectly fine. I am totally in love with it. But I do plan on doing like a taste test in October with store-bought turmeric plus the fresh turmeric that I have. I already know that it's going to be better. The blue turmeric is already going to be better. But I think that'll be a fun video to do. So that was pretty quick. I just planted those in this bed, and I think I'm just going to give it a little bit of water. So yeah, I'm going to go get a little bucket real quick and grab some rain water from my rain barrels. So I'll be right back. Alright, so that's it for today's video. So stay tuned and check back with me as I grow my blue turmeric this year. So I'm looking forward to it, and hopefully you are too. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. See ya.